do I need to sound treat my room? Do I need sound treatment? So right now I am recording in a room that has tons and tons and tons of windows. I mean, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows, and I'm actually right next to the ceiling, which is made of wood. And I've got vinyl planks for my flooring, which is non-porous. And my walls are bare they're just like drywall with, paint. And I decided not to treat this room. So the answer is you don't really need it. The reason why is because of the type of mic that I have. I'm using a microphone now that you can get on Amazon for like 79 or 99 bucks. I don't really need to soundproof my room because of the type of mic that I'm using. So first and foremost, it really depends on you and the sound quality that you're going for and the mic that you already have. At my studio, now I'm at my house, I'm recording at my house, but I also have an office. It's about 15 minutes up the road. At the office, every single wall, all of the walls and part of the ceiling and part of the floor is completely sound treated, which means that I've got these like foam, 2-inch foam egg carton, 2 foot by 4 foot pieces of foam that are tacked to the wall. And why did I do that? Even though in that studio, I'm using great mics also. Well, it's really because when I'm recording, I know that there's a massage therapy studio right next door, basically touching my wall. And on the other side, there's a therapist. So there's massage, and then there's a psychologist that has conversations with people. And I don't want either of them being annoyed by me if I'm getting excited while I'm recording. So I went ahead and put those on there. And furthermore, when people are walking through the hallway or if they make a noise, I don't want it to distract me. Now, I've got a really good mic, a dynamic microphone that I'll talk about on one of these other episodes that are coming out. I got a really great mic there. So I already know that those sounds in the hallway, anything in the massage therapy room, anything in the psychologist room. There's a tattoo artist down who messes around, she's got like all of her equipment basically in this like weird part of the office attached to my third wall. And then I've got the outside noise where there's a restaurant and stuff there. It's just like a little strip mall, right? Where that office is. And none of those sounds are going to get into my mic because I have a really great mic. So why did I sound treat all of that stuff? Well, for me, it's because I don't want to get distracted. When I'm interviewing somebody on my podcast, I don't want to change and divert my attention to something else. I don't want to lose focus on where I want to go with the episode, what I want to ask my guest, etc. So I went ahead and treated that to help them and to help me. It's not necessarily for the recording. If you got a great mic, you might not have to treat your room. One thing that we do with clients, and so hopefully you can be a client. One thing we do with clients is always listen to their podcast before it airs. So we check it out. We sit with them. I give them tips, bring the mic closer, bring the mic farther away, do a different kind of mic. Why don't you cover up those windows? Why don't you put something on your bare floors? So like you maybe put a rug down, and those types of things can really help somebody to make sure. But if you've got a keen ear and you want to just get rid of echoes, then focus on that when you're listening, and then make the decision whether or not you need to treat the room with these egg carton foams or one of the others that are on our website. Now, we put together a PDF to help you to be able to have all of the equipment that you need, like microphones, mixers, headsets, cloud lifter, whatever computer to use, etc. And so that you can find at growyourshow.com. That's our website, growyourshow.com. And then you just go /PDF. And that's a PDF of all of the equipment that we put together. Yes, they are affiliate links, so I might make a couple dollars if you buy a microphone, but it's all stuff that I vetted. My team has vetted. We believe in, we've seen, we know that it works. A lot of them are the things that I actually use in one of my 2 offices, either my home office or my studio office. And that can help you. So just go to growyourshow.com /PDF, grab the PDF, and that way you can have access to all of the equipment that's already been vetted.